Thank you, Tanimu. Now, Jafaro, how can these cyber criminals be tracked down and prosecuted?
Okay, so one of the major challenges with cybercrime is the concept of attribution. Attribution is a concept in cybercrime whereby you are able to ascertain who you can know where a particular attack is coming from, but you would not be able to ascertain who is behind the attack. So you can know, let's say an attack is coming from a particular location, Kubwa, Jabi. You can even trace it to the house. But what if you get to the house now and you see like 70 persons in the house? Will they arrest those 70 persons? That's a huge challenge. Then there's also another challenge whereby an IP address, which is the major source where our investigators use in tracking these criminals. In Nigeria, an IP address is largely shared by a minimum of 50,000 persons. So if an IP address is used to track a particular attack or a criminal, and you bring the IP address to this part of the world, how do you ascertain who among the 50,000 persons carried out the crime? So so those are some of the challenges that investigators are encountering. However, there is the IP version 6, which is a new form of IP addresses which was recently launched, and a bulk portion has been allocated to Nigeria. The reason why we had shortage of IP addresses was because the block allocated to Nigerians, to Nigerian telecoms and ISPs are not much. So they had to do a system within to ensure that more persons gain access to the internet by sharing one IP with thousands of persons. But now, the IP version 6 can accommodate more persons, so you have streamlined the numbers of persons that would share an IP, a particular IP address, and which is a good thing. So, but beyond that, like he has said, prevention is largely better than cure.